everybody? Welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, the day before Christmas, we're gonna do something that you guys have been asking about for ages and ages, and finally, I made it happen. Today, we're gonna do the Magic Maker Applique panel using the template set, and this is from OklaRoots. So let me show you. This is what we're making today. It is gorgeous. I am using a wish tote panel. That's what this big piece of material here, the big vinyl. It's a panel for the wish tote. And then I have this really gorgeous foil shiny vinyl that I use to applique. So I'll show you. This all originally started when I made a wish tote for myself, and I did the same thing. I did a black vinyl, and then I did again fun rainbow foil vinyl on it. I did this just for fun on my own because I thought it looked cool. And this is actually from a quilt pattern. So we have a quilt pattern called the Magic Maker quilt pattern. And I just kind of took the inner cuts of that quilt pattern and put it all together. And I got so much good feedback about it. Especially, can we please have a template set so we can make it as well? Which I have been putting off for a while. Not because I'm trying to, you know, keep it a secret or anything, but because the template set for this is very delicate. So let me show it to you real quick. We're gonna go over it in the tutorial, but I just want you to see it. It's really a frame. That's what you want. You want this frame, and because it is so delicate, you see how tiny these lines are? We did cut it into 4 pieces to make it easier to ship and less likely to break. However, you gotta make sure, if you purchase this in Shop OklaRoots, please make sure that there is route shipping insurance included on the order. It's automatically added to your order, but before you check out, if you're like speedy fingers, just make sure you see it, because if it doesn't have shipping insurance and they break in shipping, then there's nothing we can do. If you have shipping insurance on it and they break in shipping, you'll be covered. Don't worry about it. So I want to make note of that. It's very important. So this is the size medium Magic Maker, and it's pretty big, and this is the template set that goes with it. You will also have the pieces that go inside of these cuts, so you can see all these different shapes. There's about 8 different shapes total. You will have those cuts as well in that template set. But then I was like, what if we tried the small? Look how cute this is. This is the small size. Look, this is the medium. This is the small, and it is the most precious. And this is the template set for the small. So you see, this one is a little bit more manageable. It's still very, very delicate, very fragile. But it doesn't have to be cut into pieces. It can, I think we can ship this. We haven't tried it yet, but I think we can ship this as one piece, and it will also have the 8 cuts of the shapes inside of it. So this is fun. I'm so excited. We're gonna use a bunch of this vinyl. Here it is. This is that foil vinyl. I have a link down below. I got all of mine from Fabric Therapy, but I do believe that there are multiple shops that sell that now. So there will be some options. It's fun to work with. It's easy. It's quick-ish. I will tell you, I made both of these in one evening. I mean, not all day. It didn't take me a long time, but it does, you know, you gotta be a little meticulous. There is some tying of threads and gluing and things. So it takes a little bit of time, but oh my gosh, it's so cute, isn't it? So if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you are excited about this, leave a comment down below. I'm very excited about this. At this time, the template sets for the small and the medium are what we have available. I am working on the SVG files for those of you who want to use them. I will tell you though, the SVG for the frame for the medium is very large. It is too big for most Cricuts. So I'm not sure how that will work, because the frame is really what you want to use when you make this, not just the little cuts. I mean, you could always just glue these cuts down on their own and space them out, you know, however you'd like. But the frame is really what's most helpful. I do not have a template set available for the large. The large is very, very big, and I will not be offering a template set for that. I don't know if we'll do an SVG for that either. We'll see. But stay tuned. When we have the full SVG file available for the sizes, I will have that on Shop OklaRoots. I will send an email out, and I will announce it on social media. So if you're waiting for that, it will be here soon. Alrighty guys, let's have some fun with some applique.